everyone, welcome back to Learn Python in 5 minutes. This is day 6 and today we'll learn about arithmetic operators in Python. These are the symbols we use to do basic math like addition, subtraction, multiplication and more. So here we have opened our learn.py folder. There's a file here that is operators.py. So in Python, arithmetic operators are used with numbers. Let's go through them one by one. At first, addition. So, addition. Let's see one. We're gonna have two variables. One is a equals n, then b equals, fine. Oh, I can use 3. There's my flipping number. Then let's see how to add. I have this print and sum of a and b is a plus b. Okay, let's see what it gives. So you can see the sum of a and b is 13. And then we're gonna see another operators, that is subtraction. Let's print one. Print, the difference is okay. See again. You can clearly see it here. Then another operator like multiplication. Then print one. Product. Okay, so we're gonna use this symbol to multiply, unlike the subtraction and addition symbol that we usually use on basic math. Okay, so 30 into b. Then division. Let's see. Okay, quotient when a is divided by b is this. Let's see, that is 3.33. So notice that Python always gives the result as a float. And if we don't want, I'm sorry, first we need to know what's floor division. Okay, then print. This is a special operator. When you use this floor division with these signs, what we get is the number, the integer part only, without the decimal. Okay, then we need to know what's modulus. Let's print one. We need to use this percentage sign here. And let's see. That is the thing. You can see that it gives the remainder after division. So when you divide a by b, what's the remainder is 1. And we can know that by using this modulus sign. And at last, we need to know what's exponentiation. Okay. Then print is to the power of b is this. It's like 2 multiplication sign of Python. Let us see, that is 1000. Well, this means 10 to the power of 3. A to the power of b. Okay, so let's have a quick recap here. The first one is obviously addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, division, floor division, where we just want the integer part without the decimal, then modulus, the remainder we need to know, and exponentiation, exponent, when we have to use exponent on any number. Well, these are the building blocks for all calculations in Python. That's it for day 6. Practice these operators with your own numbers and see what results you get. Tomorrow in day 7, we'll look at comparison operators. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the playlist for more Python in 5 minutes. See you tomorrow.